Gourmet Easy just gifted me their fine mesh stainless steel strainer set, and I am so thrilled. So to start off with, definitely stainless steel, really sturdy, which is what I want to see. I can bend it slightly, but I can't actually bend it anymore. You can see that it has been welded on really well there. It has a nice handle, feels good. It has the cutest little heart hook at the top, and then it has these hooks on the sides that are also very well welded on, and that's definitely what I want to see, as these strainers are perfect for hanging on something. You could put it over a bowl. I often tip these into my sink so they're hooked on the edges of the sink while I use them, or of course I can just use it while holding it. And that fine mesh makes this so great for truly everything, from sieving flour for baking to pasta, veggies, washing your fruit and veggies. You can even cook with these because they're stainless steel. So if you're deep frying, you can use these to scoop everything out. So many uses. This is exactly what I want. My existing strainer, which is also a fine mesh strainer, which I have loved, has a rubber handle, and over time that handle has shown so much wear and tear and age. So one thing I really love about this is that it is all stainless steel. It's one really well welded piece. Looks like it should last forever. And on top of that, they also gave me this silicone strainer. Now this is meant to go over cans, bottles, whatever you want to strain what's in them. Specifically, it is the standard size for your standard can. And I do love that this is food grade silicone. Now I might not use this as much just because I usually like to empty my cans into the strainer so I can rinse whatever's in the can too. Let's say it's a can of beans, I want to rinse the water out. But this does have uses, and when it comes to food grade, of course this is food grade as well. It's 304 stainless steel, so I feel really good about that as exactly what I want to see. And when I'm looking for strainers, I really am looking for just a few key elements, specifically that the quality is there, that it's not going to bend easily. And this, if I push really hard, I can make it kind of dent in, but it is a very sturdy whole build. I want to see that because this should last forever. I want to make sure that it's food grade, and then I really want to make sure that it has the hooks at the right place so it's easy to hook onto bowls, over pots, over the sink, wherever I want it to go. And these really do check all the boxes, and they definitely look like they're built for life. If you are looking for a really nice stainless steel fine mesh set, this set from Gourmet Easy is really nice.